Hi guys, welcome to the Reach tutorial. Today we're just going to focus on adding a social media profile. Now the first thing I would do is actually open up a new tab and then sign in under those accounts. And so what I mean by that is that I've actually already logged in under the Reach Facebook, and then I also did the Reach Twitter, and then of course the Reach Instagram. So once you've done that, then you can kind of come back here. Now you can see we have the Add Profile and Manage Approvers. Now Manage Approvers is for our social media curation, and that's actually going to be in a different tutorial. Today we're really just going to show you guys how to link up those profiles. So we'll go ahead and hit the orange button here that says Add Profile, and then you can see the series of icons that kind of pop up. So we'll start with Instagram just because it's the first one. So I'll click on that icon there. Alright, so now it kind of brings us back to this page and it says no profile added. So really the last step here is to hit this add profile, and then we'll click on the Instagram once again. And then now this page kind of shows up. Now we have two types, which is going to be a profile and a hashtag. Now the hashtag again is kind of part of that social media curation, and that will be in a different tutorial. Same with the manage posts. So we're really just going to make sure that this profile is clicked and then these two are on. The last part is really just the tag. It's just asking what Instagram tag are we linking up. And so you can see we have an example here. Now I'll go to my Instagram account. I understand that you guys cannot see my URL, but that is exactly what I'm going to copy. So I copied it here and then I pasted it in right here. Again, it's just an example is right there. So once I've linked that up, or I've added this ID, I'll go ahead and hit add. And now my Instagram is completely linked up. So if we were going to do Facebook, we're going to do the exact same steps. We'll hit add profile, and then we'll click on the Facebook icon. Now here, basically a page comes up. And really what this is saying is that you're basically allowing Reach to just pull your latest post. So we'll go ahead and hit continue. And again, it's going to bring you back to this page. Now, all we need to do is really do the same thing we did for Instagram, and that's just copy that information. So I'm going to go to Facebook, and again, I understand you guys cannot see my URL, but I'm going to copy that part. It's also to the right of the @ so you could copy this part as well. It's really in two locations. However, I find it a lot easier to copy in the URL. So I've already copied it. I'm going to come back here and then just paste it in and then hit add. Now you can see that the Facebook profile has been added. So we'll go ahead and just do one more. We'll go ahead and do Twitter. Exact same steps as before. So we'll hit add profile, and then we'll click on the Twitter icon here. And then kind of really the same message comes up. It's just, again, allowing Reach to basically access your latest tweets. So we'll hit authorize.